Hello, today I'm going to guide you on how to create a custom calendar in Excel, as well as how to use or modify a pre-made calendar template. Open Microsoft Excel, click on File, then select New. In the search box, type Calendar. Browse through the templates and select a suitable calendar layout. In this example, choose the Illustrated Academic Calendar to build a full year calendar. Go to the View tab, check Grid Lines to display the grid on the sheet. Click on the current month and use the drop-down to select January. The calendar will automatically update all the dates and months accordingly. Click on Monday, open the drop-down, and change it to Sunday to start the week on Sunday. To change the look and feel, go to Page Layout and choose a theme, font, or color set. If you don't like the preset colors, click Customize Colors to create your own palette. After customization, save your calendar. You can now print or share it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell to stay updated.